ये रही।
कितने पैसे देना आप?
3 लोग,
सभी के पास अप्रूव्ड है?
सभी का प्रूफ है।
ठीक है मैडम जी, अभी आप जाओ। यहाँ पर दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट है, आपके हाथ पे वो है ना होम क्वारंटीन स्टैंप लगाएंगे, तो आप इमिग्रेशन क्लियर करोगे, उसके बाद कस्टम और सीधा अपने घर।
Hey, what's up guys? So this is Karan, and this video is dedicatedly to those who are actually traveling to India and don't know what is the documentation, what is the process, what are the challenges, and what are the legal formalities they have to do. So just watch till the end. In this video I have explained each and everything, like what documentation you need, what is the process. So guys, we are traveling through KLM, and so first we are going from Oslo to Amsterdam. There is a 2-hour flight. Then we have a 4-hour of layover in the Amsterdam. Then there is a direct flight from Amsterdam to New Delhi. So basically, since I am traveling through Netherlands, so first of all you have to take an approval from the embassy of India in Netherlands. So the link to register is given in the description, so you can just register from there. So the link you can also get it from the website of Indian Embassy in Netherlands. So you can register from there also, since maybe the link may be changed in future, so don't rely on the link. Just go through the website and there you can register. So guys, I have just finished my security check-in. So at the counter they haven't asked anything apart from passport, so maybe rest of the things and documents will be asked maybe in Amsterdam. So let's see how is it. So right now, as you can see, there is not much crowd. Maybe I can show you. So it's completely empty, few people. You can see mostly stores are closed because it's too early, or maybe they are not getting business, or maybe they are closed temporarily. So guys, we have just arrived to Schiphol airport in Amsterdam. So we have a layover around 4 hours, so we will be staying here and just doing some shopping and all. Then we will have a flight at 12:40. So let's see what else documentation are required. So we are now going through the immigration, so let's see how much time it will take here. So guys, we have just crossed the immigration, and at the immigration counter they won't ask you apart from your passport and resident card, so no documentation and all. So maybe at the boarding gate they will ask you the further documents. So let's see there what actually they ask. So after immigration we are going through the temperature check. So basically they are going to check your temperature, if it's normal or high. So if it's normal, then they will just give you one form, you have to just fill it up. So Prince, what are you filling in this form?
They are asking some basic questions like if you have diagnosed with fever or anything, COVID-19 or something like that.
So it's like a basic health check form.
But if your temperature is high, then they will deny you to go to Delhi.
Okay.
That's written compulsory here. You can read it here.
Okay, let's fill it up then. So guys, after filling this health declaration form, we have to just stamp from there, and basically it's just a document formality, nothing else. Yeah, we have a daughter. Yeah. So this we have to carry during the boarding, right?
Yes, you have to give it to the gate agent when you
Okay.
before you go into the plane. Okay.
And you see your boarding card?
And your gate number.
Gate number is E1.
No, this is E1.
Okay.
So your gate number for departure is F8.
F8.
Yes, you're
Okay.
going this way and then
Yes.
to the right. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So guys, we are finally at the gate which is boarding for Delhi, and right now behind me you can see there is a, maybe I can show you, there is a big queue for documentation check. So basically they are checking the health declaration form which we have filled. They are checking like self-declaration form. That's all. They are these two things they are checking, and the COVID test and all, it's not being checked here. It's going to be checked at the India. So if you have a negative test report, you will be get exemption. If not, then you have to take a COVID test right there. So guys, we have just completed our boarding, and as you can see, we have given a mask, a face shield, and we have to keep it for 8 hours, you know. So it's a very long journey, like 8 hours, and I don't know how I will manage to keep this for 8 hours. So here only 2 documents they have checked, that is self-reporting form, which you can fill in the airport where you are arriving. And also they have checked the self-health declaration form which we have filled right here. That's all. They have checked here, no negative report is being checked. It's going to be checked at the airport when we will arrive. Good afternoon. You guys are really doing a very hard job.
Very hard job.
Yeah, I
But
understand.
we look so beautiful.
We can operate you too.
Yeah. I can understand wearing the PPE kits, how difficult is it, you know.
It's because of the authorities.
Really appreciate you guys.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you so much. Very nice of you.
Tell us
That's
that.
why
It's
we're
very
here.
nice.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the work.
Thank you for flying with us. That's also important. And for the okay, is your seat sir? You go straight ahead to the right.
Hi, welcome aboard. Go ahead, sir.
With the coronavirus, we kindly request that you adhere to the following guidelines when boarding regularly with soap and water.
अबे यार तो साला विंडो हुई नहीं है.
Thank you for your attention.
साला कोई विंडो. Not satisfied with the food. This is what they have, so I can do anything here. So guys, finally we just arrived at the Delhi airport. A great relief, and so when we have came out from the flight, so ground staff was actually collecting the forms, like undertaking form which you have received when you have registered to the embassy, so that you have to keep it ready when it will be better if you keep it already filled, which I forgot to fill it, so I was filling in the flight itself. So basically, even if you forgot to fill it up, they will be providing in the flight itself. The crew member, they will provide you the forms and all, everything is. So it's like even if you forgot to register online, like then also you can register there itself. So not a very restrict rules. If you forgot something, there is an alternate here, so you don't have to worry that much. But better it will be if you do it everything online before, everything handy. So that's a suggestion. So we're just now moving to immigration, so let's see what else is required there. So ये रही
कितने पैसे देना आप?
3 लोग,
सभी के पास अप्रूव्ड है?
सभी का प्रूफ है.
ठीक है मैडम जी, अभी आप जाओ. यहाँ पर दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट है, आपके हाथ पे वो है ना होम क्वारंटीन स्टैंप लगाएंगे, तो आप इमिग्रेशन क्लियर करोगे, उसके बाद कस्टम और सीधा अपने घर. हाँ, और स्टैंप दिखानी होती है ये वाली जो हाथ से. हाँ सभी को जो इस लाइन में है जिनके पास exemption है वो, और जिनके पास नहीं है ना उनको PCR टेस्ट कराना होगा पहले, तब जाके वो कर सकते हैं।
घर कहाँ होटल जाएंगे और 7 दिन तो
हाँ 7 दिन तो होटल है।
7 दिन होटल है
नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट अगर आ जाती है तो घर भी जाता है।
हाँ तो वो भी आने में 2 दिन लगेगा
So guys, here there are two type of queues. So one is for those who have already an exemption approval. So they will just show the approval and get the home quarantine stamp. And those who doesn't have any approval or any negative test report, then they have to go through the screening and the RT-PCR test. Then only after that they can go home. So right now this is the queue where they are checking the negative test report.
देख के 5 मिनट बना देगा मैनुअल रिपोर्ट, नीचे चले जाओ। कहाँ जाना सर आपको?
हमको जाना है कानपुर,
कानपुर फ्लाइट से या उससे?
ट्रेन से।
ट्रेन से। कोविड रिपोर्ट आपके पास? कोविड रिपोर्ट है?
कोविड होने एग्जाम्शन है अभी।
एग्जाम्पशन तो है लेकिन कोविड टेस्ट वगैरह करा रखा है क्या?
अभी नहीं कराया।
नीचे डॉक्टर को दिखा दीजिए।
ठीक है,
नीचे ले जाइए, नीचे डॉक्टर बैठा है।
SR नंबर सर, ER नंबर है। हाँ कैसे आ गए ये सर, आपका नीचे बता देंगे।
नहीं तो क्या चीज़, मतलब समझा नहीं मैं इस चीज़ के लिए। वहाँ पर एग्जाम्शन अप्रूवल है ना?
हाँ हाँ डॉक्टर चेक कर देंगे
और नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर चेक वगैरह। ठीक है ठीक है।
नहीं नीचे चले जाओगे आप, एग्जिट करोगे आप।
तो इस पर कुछ नहीं लगना क्या बोर्डिंग पास पे?
नीचे हो जाएगा सर आपका।
So now we are going through the immigration, the final step. So let's see what happens here. So guys, immigration is completed now. I'm just going to collect my luggage. Exemption है हमारे पास approval.
स्टैम्प तो नहीं है बड़ी,
वो बोल रहे हैं यहाँ लगेगा स्टैम्प।
ठीक है आगे लगवा दीजिए, आगे लगेगा।
So guys, here they are checking the home quarantine stamp. So if you have a negative test report or exemption, then you can get the home quarantine stamp. ये home quarantine का stamp यहीं पे लग रहा है क्या? साइड लगा दो। कोविड का प्रिंट आउट है। So guys, we are just out from the immigration and then we collected the luggage and now we are out. So there are a couple of sections. If you have negative test report, then you can go out very easily. They will put in a stamp in your boarding pass for home quarantine. We have an exemption approval as I have a daughter of 4-year-old. So we get an approval, so that's not an issue. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So if you have any query, you can leave a comment here and I will try to resolve as soon as possible. Also for fast query resolution, you can connect with me on my Instagram account. Finally, we are out from the airports. So guys, thank you so much